In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio in PowerPoint. If you want to include music, narration, or any sound effect in your presentation, PowerPoint makes the process very simple. Adding audio can help make your slides more engaging and easier to follow, especially if you're creating a presentation for a class, a meeting, or a recorded video. To get started, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want the audio to appear. Once you're ready, look at the top of the screen and click on Insert. This tab contains all the options for adding extra elements to your slide, such as images, videos, shapes, and of course audio. After you click Insert, find the volume-like icon beside the video option. This is the audio button. Go ahead and click on that icon to begin adding your sound file. In many versions of PowerPoint, this is where you can choose an audio file from your device, such as a recorded voice clip, background music, or another sound you want to use in the presentation. As you do this, make sure you're selecting the correct slide before inserting the audio, because the sound icon will appear on the slide you currently have open. Once the audio is added, PowerPoint will usually place a small speaker symbol onto the slide to show that the file has been inserted successfully. If you plan to present the slideshow live, it can be helpful to test the audio right away so you know it works as expected. You can also move the speaker icon to a different part of the slide if you want to keep the layout clean and organized. This is especially useful if the audio is meant to play in the background and you don't want the icon distracting from the slide content. One more helpful tip is to think about how the audio supports your presentation. A short voice explanation can make a slide more personal and informative, while music or sound effects can add energy when used carefully. Just make sure the audio fits the purpose of your presentation and doesn't overpower the main message. That's all it takes to add audio in PowerPoint. Click on Insert, then click on the volume-like icon beside video, and you'll be on your way to enhancing your presentation with sound.